Episode 12, The Late Heavy Bombardment. Welcome to class. Just as Earth's oceans were forming, the solar system entered another violent chapter. Between about 4.1 and 3.8 billion years ago, the inner planets were struck by a renewed wave of massive impacts. This period is known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. We know this happened because of the Moon. Earth's surface is constantly recycled by plate tectonics, erosion, and volcanic activity. It has geological amnesia, but the Moon has no atmosphere, no oceans, and no active tectonics. It remembers. The large dark plains you see on the Moon, called Maria, are ancient impact basins formed during this era and later filled with lava. Every crater is a scar from a time when space was far more dangerous. If the Moon was being hit, Earth was too. Why did this happen? The leading explanation comes from what scientists call the NICE model. Early in solar system history, the giant planets shifted slightly in their orbits. When Jupiter and Saturn crossed a gravitational resonance, their combined pull destabilized huge numbers of asteroids. It was like nudging a crowded shelf. Rocks were flung inward toward the inner planets. Many of these impactors were enormous, tens or even hundreds of kilometers wide. Some collisions would have released enough energy to temporarily vaporize parts of the oceans, creating thick steam atmospheres. This may have been a one step forward, two steps back era. If early life had begun to emerge, large impacts could have reset surface conditions more than once. For millions of years, Earth endured this cosmic storm. Then, gradually, the impacts slowed. The giant planets settled into more stable orbits. The worst of the bombardment ended. The rocks stopped falling. And only after that long storm passed could the surface of Earth remain stable enough for something far more delicate to persist. Class dismissed.